So Heather, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look to the right as far as you can. Okay. And then to the left. Good. Which one of those feels tighter for you?
Going to the right.
Going to the right. Okay. So that's something that we're going to retest right after the adjustment. So, very first time getting adjusted?
Yes.
Are we nervous?
Excited.
Excited.
A little nervous.
It's the same thing. Yeah. Okay. So, a lot of exercising and certainly work behind the computer. And we've worked on the posture already. And what I'm feeling for here are tight muscles in areas that are not moving so well. So, right on over here, we have a spot. You're going to just let this all relax. Beautiful. Relax your right shoulder. Yep.
Ooh. Wow. That's crazy.
Crazy, right? Are you ready for one more?
I think so.
Good. This one's a little higher up. Good. Lift up your chin just a little bit.
Ooh.
Good.
Oh my gosh,
Beautiful.
that is crazy.
Big deep breath in. Letting that go. Good.
Wow.
All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to retest that looking left and right.
Okay.
So